Hi guys, it's Foxy here, and look what we got today. I'm still here. We got this yesterday and came with Band-Aid. So I'm tempted to open one of these, and it's Mickey Mouse. I want to open it. I want to open it, guys. Let's see. It's like a dog one, but I don't know what kind of dog. Oh, you know, guys, Boo. So here it is. And that's all for today, and some of these I'll be sending out for you. Put them right there. So see you in the next video. It's gonna be boobies. See ya.